morning, everyone. Welcome back. We're waking up today just a little northwest of St. Louis, Missouri. We're going to head down to Neely's, Missouri to pick up a Procter & Gamble load and take it to North Platte, Nebraska. To a Walmart distribution center. So that's going to be the plan for today. It's like a 12-hour trip. So we're gonna split it. We're gonna run down there, pick it up, and get about halfway there today. We'll be stopping in Oak Grove, Missouri, I believe, and then tomorrow we'll do the rest of the trip. So, big long run today. Make some money. So let's hit the road. Got you guys back. It's been a morning. We got there to the shipper fine. However, the line to get in was super long. I've been to that place before, and the empty trailer parking is just an absolute disaster. So it took us a little bit to get the trailer dropped. We got our loaded trailer picked up. I went to start rolling the camera after we left, and just fire rate of problems. Battery was dead. The SD card wasn't working properly. I need new equipment apparently, but we're not getting that yet. Excuse me. So we are on Interstate 55 North. I think we're heading up to 64 West, I believe. In about 8 miles, we're going to get off Interstate 55. We have 230 miles left on our trip today. I believe I said this in the opener, but if not, we're going to head to TA 250 not supposed to be unbearably cold here in Missouri or in Nebraska tomorrow. I am hoping to go back down south after Nebraska, but we shall see. Sunshine, which is nice. Not sure if you guys can see it, but off to the right hand side of the screen is a big flock of geese. Just off the road there. You guys might be able to see them. Had some more GoPro issues. I think I got them straightened out, but we'll see. We made it up here to, where in the world am I? Oak Grove, Missouri, at the TA, right off of, I guess this is Interstate 70. Fueled up. We're gonna stop here for the night. We got 6 more hours up to Nebraska tomorrow. Weather is supposed to be in the mid-60s. I haven't seen or felt that kind of weather in a month, so I'm pretty excited about that. But we're gonna get a shower, get some sleep, and do it all again tomorrow. See you in the morning. It's the next morning. We're about to get on the road. Got about 6 hours today. Trying to get a little bit of heat in the engine and some the fluids moving. I'm not sure if I said it last night or not, but we're in Oak Grove, Missouri. Yeah, so should be a good day. Weather's supposed to be nice, so it's a good day for trucking. Interstate 70 west, we're about to jump off here in a mile and get on 435 north. That'll take us up to St. Joseph's, Missouri, and then cut the corner off of the northeast corner of Kansas up into Nebraska. Just up here around the corner is Kansas City Chiefs Stadium. I think the Royals Stadium is over there as well. Yep. Right there, the building's on the left. The far left building is Arrowhead Stadium.
In 1 mile, take right exit 8B.
And there's Kansas City Royals Stadium as well. Pretty cool. know if you can see those buildings off of the right-hand corner of the truck. It's coming up past Lincoln, Nebraska. We're not going to go downtown, which is good. Don't need to fight city traffic. Might be able to see it again off here off to the right. We have 222 more miles to go. So about 3.5 hours. It's not as warm. The weather report last night said 65, 66 degrees. It's going to have to warm up a lot pretty quick for it to get to that temperature. The truck's saying 35 degrees right now. Got our trailer dropped, picked up our empty. Pretty much done for the day. It did end up getting warm. It's actually 72 degrees out here. There are a ton of ducks and geese in Nebraska. But we're gonna get out of here and head for Trucks and Gloves that's right down the road. Shut her down for the night. Alright guys, we're done for the day. Just gonna do a little post trip on the truck and we'll shut her down for the night. Long couple days, but the work got accomplished. That's what we're going for. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Really appreciate it. We'll see you tomorrow.